Apples? I like apples. You like apples? That's all you do is eat apples, isn't it, Mamie? Every time I see half an eaten apple, it's left on the side from you.
And they're like strawberries, they're like bananas.
Strawberries and bananas. We've got a banana in the car for you. That sound like they eat the same things as you, Mamie.
Yeah.
You eat lots of healthy stuff, to be fair, Mamie. You're a very good child. All you do is eat fruit and vegetables. And that's what the ponies do. It makes...
Are you going to go up to today? You're going to see all the goats and sheep?
We're going to go see the sheep and the goats. We've got some feed, haven't we? Cows and pigs. Chickens. There we go. We've got plenty to see, haven't we?
You having fun? Is it good?
What's the pony's name? This is Lucky.
Just a bit shy.
It's called Lucky, Maymay.
Ready? We're going to have to turn.
What's your favourite animal?